Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my video we've done on introduction to cell division. Now we move to the phases of the cell cycle. So in this video we will be discussing on how cell grows and divide. So the lifespan of cell can be described as the cell cycle showing in this diagram. So most cells have two major phases, the interphase and the mitosis. Most of the tissues at any given time, only few cells are in mitosis while the rest remain in the interphase. Interphase is the period between division of the cytoplasm, and it is where the typical eukaryotic cells spend most of its life. So during this interphase showing in green color, the cell did not divide but it has more time to grow. So interphase has three subphases: G1 phase referring to the first gap, S phase referring to the synthesis, and then G2 phase referring to the second gap. During G1 phase, there are few activities of the cell. They synthesizing the protein, and then the cell doubling its original size, and then more organelles being produced, for example of the organelle, mitochondrion, or even endoplasmic reticulum. And then S phase referring to the synthesis, it is the time where cell dividing or duplicating its chromosome, duplicating its genetic material, the DNA, the process known as DNA replication. So we will discuss DNA replication during next video. And then the G2 phase, which is the second gap, is the second growth and final preparation for cell division. And then the last process in cell cycle is the mitotic phase. So mitotic phase consists of two, which is mitosis and cytokinesis. So mitosis can be further divided into four phases: the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Showing in this diagram is the metaphase of mitosis, whereby the chromosome line up along the metaphase plate. And then the last one is the cytokinesis. So cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm, whereby from one parent cell producing two daughter cells. So in this diagram referring to the animal cell because there is a formation of cleavage furrow.